All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Also, we talk about stocks. We're going to be talking about GameStop, how it's soaring the price right this second, and it's how it's talking about how it's going to split and basically have a dividend. We're going to go over that. We're also going to go over Solana. Solana cryptocurrency is up 27%. Big things going on with Solana. Ding, ding, ding. Also, Piston Token is launching on Sunday. We're going to do a little bit on Piston Token. The launch is on Sunday. So, GameStop, Solana, and Piston Token, gonna be a good one. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Go on the channels to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency and some stocks. All right, everybody, let's head over to GameStop. Over here at Yahoo Finance, GameStop soars after hours amid stock split announcement. Here we go. Let's check this out, everybody.
All right, well, thanks, guys. And Brad, you did mention gaming there, which ties into some breaking news that's coming out now. GameStop shares are soaring in after-hours trading. The company plans to ask for shareholder approval to increase the number of authorized shares. The retailer looking to implement a stock split in the form of a dividend. As you see there, the stock up more than 15% in extended trading.
All right, so there's a little video on it. So it looks like it's some pretty good stuff. GameStop shares are surging after hours following an announcement seeking a stock split. The video game retailer stock is as much as up 20%, surpassing the $200 level. The company said in an 8K SEC filing the plans to request stockholders' approval as it announces an annual shareholder meeting to increase the number of authorized Class A shares from 300 million to 1 billion. That would be 3 times more. In order to implement a split through a dividend. Retail traders are bullish on the flagship meme stock, expressing with enthusiasm. So this is some pretty good stuff, everybody. Over here, taking a look at GameStop at Robinhood, it's at trade at $170 right this second. If we went, this is we're gonna go right here for the day. For the day, it's down slightly right this second, but for the last week, it's up a lot. Look at it was at $164, and it's only going up. And when you go back to the month, look, the month down here, a month ago was at $85. Take a look, $78, March 14th. So March 14th, that's kind of why we like the Robinhood. You can kind of see the date there. But just March 14th, 2 weeks ago, $84. And what is it today? $170. That's fantastic, everybody. GameStop's board of directors has approved both the stock proposal, but stock dividends will be contingent on a final board approval. GameStop shares went on a tear of a span of 10 days in March. So we just talked about that. Since the 15th, it seems to be doubling. After March, Chairman Ryan Cohen bought 100,000 shares of the video game stock earlier this month. Big things going on with GameStop, everybody. Ding, ding, ding. So GameStop right there, showing you it's up 17%, liking it a lot. Over here, GameStop wants shares more affordable for meme stock lovers. Go, go, go. All right, so GameStop stocks are up. I just showed you March 14th. It was at $85, $90. It's up to $170 all in 2 weeks. Boom, it's going up, up, up. So definitely keep an eye on GameStop. They're talking about a split. We're going to come back to GameStop when we're all done here. All right, what about Solana cryptocurrency? This is up on the charts right now. The last 7 days, Solana's doing real good. Let's head over to CoinMarketCap. Here we are at CoinMarketCap, Solana number 6. Take a look at this. Really, really good. Up 28% in the last 7 days. Look at this. It's traded at $131. Now we're starting to look good here, $131. Let's go back and look at like a month ago. You know, here's what's happened in the last 24 hours. Here's what's happened in the last 7 days. There's that big uptick. But I want to go back. Let's see. $131 3 months ago. 3 months ago, well, in February, the token was at $83. Look at that. $88 down here. $85. Even when it peaked, it was at $118. But here you go. And now it's already up to $132. Solana's prices are looking really good. A lot of bounce back going on. I'm sorry, Bitcoin is at 46,000, up almost 3%. Ethereum's at 3,400. So let's go over to Solana here. Solana at the Twitter account is the world's most performant global state machine. Fast transactions with fast finalization, censorship resistance, designed for global adoption. Solana is doing good. Take a look at this. Celebrate the Solana world with a 3-day musical festival at the Solana Miami. You're not going to want to wait to miss this one. You'll get your tickets early as of yesterday. Solana Miami, here you go. So go Solana. Over at the website, powerful for developers, fast for everyone. Solana is a decentralized blockchain built to enable scalable, user-friendly apps for the world. Transactions per second, almost 2,000. The average cost of transaction, look, it's not even a penny. Not even a penny. I mean, the average cost is 0.00025. The validator nodes, they got over 1,600 of them. Join the fast-growing ecosystem. Solana is the fastest blockchain in the world and the fastest growing ecosystem in crypto, with thousands of projects spanning DeFi, NFTs, and Web3 and more. Say hello to Solana.
Let me ask you a question. Tired of high fees and slow transactions? So are we. Public blockchains have opened the door for anyone with an internet connection to create and access digital markets. The global financial system has the potential to become more innovative, efficient, and democratized. But there's a problem. Legacy blockchains don't scale, and therefore the crypto apps built on top can't either. As usage has increased, so have the fees and transaction wait times, preventing crypto ecosystems from reaching their full potential. Enter Solana. The Solana blockchain is fast, really fast, and it's low cost, with average fees less than a cent per transaction. What's more, Solana empowers developers to rapidly experiment and deploy apps using composable building blocks, while never dealing with additional friction introduced by sharding or fragmented Layer 2 systems. Lastly, Solana is censorship resistant and scales as its ecosystem grows to billions of users globally, meaning the network will remain open for applications to run freely and transactions will never be stopped. Yes, Solana is truly unstoppable, now and forever. So say goodbye to slow transactions and high fees, and say hello to Solana, where you can build crypto apps that scale today.
All right there on the website, say hello to Solana. Now, we just learned the other day that Solana could become the face of OpenSeas with the NFTs, so that's going to be gigantic. A lot of good things going on with Solana. Scale for global adoption. Integrate once and never worry about scaling again. Solana ensures compatibility between ecosystem projects and by maintaining a single global state of a network scales. Never deal with fragment layer 2 systems or shared chains. Solana's low cost forever, fast forever. I mean, again, the fees are less than a penny, which is fantastic. I've said it, the video said it, here it is again. Solana is all about speed. With 400 milliseconds block time, as the hardware gets faster, so does the network. Decentralized is unstoppable. All right, so Solana is doing fantastic. What's our price prediction on Solana? Keep an eye on it. I mean, literally, it's up right this second, big time. This is when you want to take a look at it, $131. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only, but Solana's doing big. GameStop, keep an eye on both of these, GameStop and Solana. And here we go. Bonus for the whole thing is Piston Token is launching on Sunday. The pre-sale was a couple days ago, and there was a pre-sale a couple days ago. I tried to do both of them. The pre-sale lasted like 30 seconds to a minute on both of them. Now this one's the actual this one's actually, you can get tokens and stuff. So let's go ahead and head over. All right, over here at Piston Token. Get ready, the race is starting soon. The race season is about to start. We will launch the pre-sale claim Piston contract. Pancake swap exchange support. Swap and race on April 3rd. Watch out for the speedometers right over here. And do not lose the race start. Transparency, affordable network deflation, tokenomics, whale resistant, affordable network. So you can go over here to Pancake Swap. It's got the countdown, 1 day, 20 hours, 51 minutes and 30 seconds. Talks about the token in the race. This is going to be like similar to Drip Network, 1% a day. You're going to be able to claim Piston Token, the token to run an ecosystem fully tradable and available for everyone. Built on the Binance Smart Chain, BSC, total supplies, talks about the selling, the roadmap so you can understand and follow all the next steps of the project. Here's the first thing they did was, a little pre-sale here, another pre-sale here, another pre-sale here. On April 3rd, right down here, you're going to be able to race, claim, swap, all kinds of stuff. So that's happening on Sunday. Get in touch with us or say hello. There's the white pages you can kind of click. Again, we're just skimming this for everybody. You start the race, you log into your MetaMask and stuff like that. So do your own homework. I'm just letting everybody know that this is coming on Sunday. Sunday is the day it really starts. You can buy your tokens. You can put them into the system. You can start compounding it. You can start claiming it. I'll leave my link in the bottom because you do need a buddy to get started. So, all right, everybody, there's a little glimpse of Piston Token. All right, back over here for the GameStop wants more shares, more affordable for meme stocks. So here you go, everybody. The apes are bullish on GameStop, may soon be able to buy their favorite stocks and much, much more at a lower price. The memes darling on Reddit crowd wants to initiate a stock split right here. A move that will dramatically reduce the cost of one share. The company said late Thursday, Securities and Exchange Commission's filing. To do so, GameStop will have to ask shareholders on an upcoming annual meeting for approval to increase the number of Class A shares from 300 million to 1 billion. That's like 3 times as much. If investors say yes, a single share will become much cheaper because the total value of the company stays the same. It's just divided across more shares. Shares of GameStop surged 9% on the news early on the trade on Friday, bringing it up to a gain of 22%. So GameStop is jumping, everybody. The stock splits are a popular move for some companies whose shares rise high gas prices and make it a little bit easier. So GameStop is trading at about $180 when they wrote this and everything. We know it's like $170 right now. Based on the current prices, the individual shares could cost about 1/3 or about $54 after a split because GameStop is looking to multiply the number of shares by 3.33. Big news on the GameStop, everybody. Again, big news over here on the GameStop and at the Robinhood GameStop, again, for the week and everything and for the month, it's up, up, up. Take a look at this. Here's what it was at. So again, March 11th, it was $97, and then it was down here to $77, $80 just 2 weeks ago and stuff. So, and all this increase and stuff is really, really, really good. All right, thanks for tuning in. GameStop, keep an eye on it. Stock splits, they're going to ask 300 million to 1 billion. That could be 3 times as much. Also, Piston Token. Let's not forget about the Piston Token. And that's coming up on Sunday. I'll leave my link in the bottom. And Solana could be the face of open seas, and it's up big time right now. Solana's starting to be healthy on the price, 131. All right, click over here so you can see your most recent video, and click over here for the link on Splash of 2% a day. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in, and have a fantastic day today.